In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Surfshark VPN off. Whether you're troubleshooting a connection, accessing a service that doesn't work well with a VPN, or simply taking a break from encrypted browsing, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to disconnect safely and clearly. First, open the Surfshark app on your device. You can launch it from your desktop, your applications folder, your taskbar, or your home screen, wherever you normally start it. If you're already running it in the background, clicking the app icon will bring the window to the front so you can see your current connection. Once the app is open, look for your connection status on the main screen. Surfshark makes this pretty obvious. When you're connected, you'll usually see a clear connected label, often with the name of the server or location you chose, and sometimes a timer showing how long you've been connected. You might also notice a small VPN key or lock icon in your device's status bar when the connection is active. If you don't immediately see the status, make sure you're on the home or main dashboard view, not tucked into settings or another tab. Now to turn the VPN off, find the disconnect button. This is typically the same large button that you use to connect, and when you're online through the VPN, it should say something like disconnect or stop. Go ahead and click or tap it. If a confirmation message appears, confirm that you want to disconnect. This action ends the encrypted tunnel and returns your internet traffic to your normal, direct connection. After you disconnect, the status on the screen should change to disconnected, and the interface may switch colors or show a message indicating you're no longer protected by the VPN. The server name and connection timer will disappear, and the VPN icon in your device's status bar should go away as well. That visual change is your quick reassurance that the VPN is off. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. When Surfshark is off, your traffic no longer goes through an encrypted tunnel, so your connection behaves like a standard internet connection from your provider. Some apps or websites that rely on a VPN location may act differently or show different content. If you need the privacy or location benefits again later, simply reopen the app and use the connect button to get back online through Surfshark. For now though, that's all there is to turning Surfshark VPN off. Open the app, check your status, and tap disconnect.